What's up, gang? I keep forgetting. What's up, gang? ShanDonnPlus back with another video. Today I'll be updating you guys on my Robinhood portfolio during this crazy market crash as of March 9th, Tuesday.
The weight that I carry on my shoulders every day, that should be heavyweight. Yeah, that should be heavyweight. So I gotta dedicate. I set an example for my little brother, so I gotta demonstrate. Gotta show him better way.
Currently, right now, I have $783 of market value of my account with a 233 buying power. Within the past hour, I am up $3. 0.5% of my portfolio is up. Well, within today, I'm up 3% in my portfolio, and I've earned $27 as of now. So it's been a very green day. Speaking going the last 2 weeks in the market, so I'm kind of relieved because my portfolio has been going down. So let's go within the last week. Yes. Damn! You can see that I lost 9% of my portfolio, $86 in my total portfolio. Within a month, I've lost 12% of my portfolio. And within the last 3 months, my portfolio has lost 15%. If I had all the money, like all my buying power, I would have $931. But since I bought a couple stocks, that has went down to 782. 753 is the lowest. I was going through it, but I wasn't too mad because I'm 1 year hold. My stocks is for the next 5 to 10 years. So I'm planning that for the next 5 to 10 years, not to sell any of the stocks, but to build positions. So the stock market is in a position right now where a lot of buying could be happening because I feel like we're in the bottom, but it could reverse. So I don't know. The market's crazy right now. And this whole year, I've lost 15% of my portfolio, and I only started about a couple weeks ago. I started January 27th. I'm gonna let you guys know that I am optimistic, and when you're having this portfolio type troubles and you're thinking about selling everything and taking your money away, that you must stay calm. And you know what you should do?
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip.
Buy the dip. I'm gonna tell you guys what I've been adding to my positions and updating you on my stocks. Now, CCIV. I told you guys I hit a big lick on CCIV and that I made almost $100 off the CCIV trade, so I got back in. And I got back in a little too early. I got back in with an average cost with 8 shares at $32. My total return is negative $74, but I know that's going to turn around. I know this stock is super undervalued. A little bird told me that the short percentage on this stock went up and it's going down because it's very shorted by millions of dollars. Now, when that short releases, you know it's a squeeze coming. IGC, I didn't increase any positions because it went down also. I have 3 shares of IGC, same. I actually did an option with IGC and lost like $25.
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't recommend options for people that's just starting out trading. I'm not touching options no more probably for the rest of the year because I'm not too educated on it and I don't like losing money. Now, if I'd have spent that $24 on IGC without using a option, I'd be in a better position right now because I still have the value of my shares instead of the equity that I owe between borrowing those 100 shares. You know, total return, we're down $1. It's not bothering me. See, when you're owning it and you're down something, yeah, IGC went down. I didn't increase no shares. Next, TDMI. Still, I got the same amount of shares in TDMI. Didn't increase no shares. Currently down $6. My total average cost was at basically $2.97. Well, basically $3, $2.97. Next stop, Heckler Mining. Last video I said I was going to be building on my position with Heckler Mining because they have dividends. I just got my first dividend. I got 5 cents. It's not a lot, but for me to have 1 share and me to get 5 cents from 1 share, I automatically thought like, yo, let me just get more. So I got 5 shares now, and now I got a total return of plus $4. But yeah, I'm gonna keep building on this Heckler Mining because they produce 1/3 of the U.S.'s silver. Out of everybody that produces silver in the United States, 1/3 is coming from Heckler Mining. G-Ron, I just bought 3 shares because I saw it was cheap. G-Ron is a company that deals with biotechnology. So they're dealing with technology within a body. You know, body technology, that definitely sounds like some futuristic stuff that's going to be very influential and needed in the future. So I was like, why not get 3 shares of G-Ron? It's only costing me $5. And I'm only down about 6 cents. So it's not really hurting me. Nor my portfolio. C-Ron. I had 1 share of C-Ron. Now I have 2 shares of C-Ron because I saw it at a better price. My average cost is at $11.54. I should buy some now, to be honest. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna buy some C-Ron because I see that I have an average cost at $11.58 and I lost $3, and it's pretty high for today, and I feel like the market's rebounding. Right now, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna buy, let's buy No, not 32. Let's buy 2 shares at $20. Just bought 2 shares of C-Ron for $20. Now it brings my average cost to $10.74. So when the price goes to $10.74, I'll be pretty much at break even. ETF, this is an ETF that also pays dividends. They pay a 2% dividend, and I have 1 share in that, and the average cost is $40. It's $40 right now, and my average buy-in was at 41. Well, I'm at a total return right now for 50 cents. Well, negative 50 cents, so I lost 50 cents. Next we have Van Yek Vectors Juniors Gold Miners. It's something about these gold miners. I just feel like I want some. You see, and when you're shopping for stocks and you got a little bit of money or some money and you just see something, you just give me. I can get it. It's mine. So I have 1 stock in this. It's down.
And it's gone.
If I were you, I wouldn't copy the stocks I'm buying. I would do my due diligent research and make sure you want to buy the stocks that you want to buy. My portfolio was not perfect, as you can see, but I want to grow and I'm going to get there. Next stop is AT&T, and AT&T has been performing well. I made $1. You know, they got that dividend yield, baby. So I'm thinking of getting in a new position, but I wanted to, like, you know, get to a better price. I want to get in at about 20. If it goes down to 29 flat, I'm gonna buy another share. Apple, I want to increase my position on Apple because they're, let me just say this, in the future, electric vehicles and Apple may not be 2 different things. I'm gonna say that one more time. In the future, electric vehicles and Apple may not be separate things. We're gonna just go past that. We all know what Apple is. So I got 33% of a share, which is basically 1/3 of a share of Apple, which is $40, and I've lost $2, which is not a problem. Tesla, I didn't buy a share of Tesla because it's way too expensive and it's way out of my budget. But I threw about $40 into Tesla. I'm at a loss for $3 right. Look, it's moving right now. I'm at a loss for $3.59. Now I know Tesla is going to the moon. Elon, the meme god. All praise Elon, the meme god. I just threw it in here because I believe Tesla is a great EV, and they're basically like the Walmart of EVs, basically. So right now, it's a little too out of my budget.
Broke nigga alert.
Next, PSEC. PSEC. I got some PSEC stock. PSEC is a capital PSEC capital prop.
That
PSEC stands for Prospect Capital. They deal with private debt and private equity, and they're an investment company. So their dividend yield is super high. It's 10%, which means every $100 I put into this company, I'm getting $10 back. So that's a big I don't know if I did that math right. Correct me if I did in the comments. From what I understand, every $100 I put into this, I'm getting every $100 I put into this, I'm getting $10 back in dividends. I don't really have that much information on it. I did a little bit of research, enough for me to buy into it, but for me to load up into it, I haven't really felt that confident with it yet. I'm really excited because it's at a cheap price. It's at $7. I'm up about 8 cents.
Oh my god!
So I'm pretty much doing good. Sundown Growers. Sundown Growers is another cannabis stock, and it blew up over the last couple weeks. It went to February, it went to $3, which was a squeeze. Now I know that cannabis is going to be cannabis is a multi-billion dollar industry, and that these cannabis stocks are going to blow up in the future, guaranteed. So I just put some money into Sundown Growers because I believe in it, and I bought some YOLO stock because, you know, it's a cannabis stock. It is a cannabis ETF that pays you dividends, and it has a cool ticker name. It's YOLO, so why not YOLO? I'm not telling you to YOLO, but when I see it, why not YOLO? I don't even have a full share, so you know what I'm gonna do for this video? I'm gonna get me a full share. So I'm gonna buy, what's the market? My average cost, see, look, I'm already down. So, and we want to buy 1 stock, you know, some safe buying. Now we bought 1 stock of YOLO, and our average cost came down to $23.99. So when this gets to $23.99, I'll be positive, but I'm only negative 10 cents, well, 13 cents. So that's not, you know, doing too much for me. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. This is a real estate stock, and I'm looking to get into real estate in the future. So I've been studying, and I want to put my money into this because it's doing well already. It's doing real well. Over the last 5 years, it basically boomed. It basically, oh my gosh, it's up over, last 5 years, it's up over 800%. So it's really booming, and I want to get in at a better price, so I put a little bit in so I can average some money in. I'm not buying this right now for this video because this is a little expensive. Fisker, I bought a Fisker stock because EVs are the way of the future. EVs going to be more incorporated in the future. And what Fisker does, they manufacture and produce parts for electric vehicles. So if you're invested in electric vehicles, You should be invested in the companies that's producing the parts for the electric vehicles, because if the electric vehicle stock is going to do well, the stock that's giving them the parts is going to do well. You know? So yeah, I got 1 share of Fisker at an average cost at $23.44. I'm such a believer in buying a dip. I'm going to buy 1 share to bring my average cost down to $23. So when it goes up 50 cents, or if it crashes down, it's going to go down more. But when it goes, it's $23. I'll be basically at break even. I'm almost at a loss for $1. Well, now I'm at a loss for $1. So now I'm at a loss for $1, but you know, it's not really affecting me because I'm not looking to get rich next week, or I'm not looking to sell this next week. I'm looking to hold this for the long term. I'm looking to build on this position. And crypto. Now, I want to make a separate video on crypto, but since this is my Robinhood portfolio, I'm going to go over my Robinhood portfolio with crypto. So, yo, I put some money in I put $9 into Bitcoin, and it went up. I wasn't expecting it to go up. I bought it at 48,000. I put $9 worth, and I'm already at an equity of $10. I made $1. We're up. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to the moon. And Dogecoin, let's see how much Dogecoin went up. Dogecoin is up $3 on the total, but today I lost 30 cents. Now Dogecoin, I have 167 Doge. I'm pretty stacked up on Dogecoin, so if it goes to $1 million, I'm pretty much set. But you know, yeah, I'm just in it for the memes. I'm not just in it for the memes, I'm in it for a long term because I believe in it. But you know, it's crypto, man. To conclude this video, we're up 1% in the last hour. Let's see where we are for today. We're up $28, so the market is rebounding today. I don't know if this could crash right now, but as of now, we're up $28, which is a good sign, which takes my weekly back to $85. So I'm coming back. Now I go to look at the 3 month down 150. I will be back though. I will be back. So yeah, that'll be concluding this video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want a free stock, you guys make sure you go in the description and check out Robinhood. And when you sign up within the first 24 hours, me and you will receive a free stock. And an offer ends by Wednesday. And if you sign up with Webull and deposit $100, you'll get 2 free stocks. So, you know, you can make a quick flip. You could put $100 and Webull, get the 2 free stocks, sell them, and then use that $100 and take it back. I'm not advising that. I wouldn't advise that. I'm not an advisor anyway, so it doesn't matter. But if you're looking to start investing, you know, click the links in the bio so you can help me and you out get some free stocks. ShanDon out, and you guys be safe.
Project Blue Beam, Blue Beam.